5 body languages to avoid during public speaking. Number 1, do not drink so much water or even coffee while presenting. It leaves a bad impression on the audience because it actually distracts them from the normal zone of listening to you. Number 2, avoid nodding your head too much when somebody asks you a question. It's not an appropriate gesture. This shows that you're nervous. Number 3, don't cover your mouth ever. Even if you have a habit of, just touching your cheekbone or chin bone, so never do that during a presentation. It shows that you're lying or you're being dishonest. So make sure you don't do it and take care of that. Number 4, avoid hiding your hands on the back. This displays nervousness. Number 5, stop putting your hands in the pocket. This shows that you're not interested in the presentation. See you in the next video.